So this is room 17066 in the north wing of Bellagio. This is a Fountain King room. So bathroom is on your left as you walk in. I always think these bathrooms are very spacious in this particular hotel. Nice walk-in shower in a regular room, which is nice. Quite luxurious bedding. You've got an iPod dock over here, and also plug in the lights. Now, if I remember this, there won't be any space for your own stuff in here, sadly. Your closet here. And your safe is in here. So the reason I wanted to do a walkthrough of this room, I've featured it before, but I didn't have a view. So this gives you an idea as to what the view is like from the north wing. Excellent. And actually I was in a corner suite, junior corner suite last time I stayed at Bellagio, and the window was really small, but that is an excellent sized window to watch the fountains at night, so very pleased with that. This was an M Life comp where I had 4 free nights, and I'm here for 5, so I'm just paying casino rate for the 5th one, which obviously may or may not get comped at the end, but yeah, pretty nice room. Quality rooms here at Bellagio.